Ever click submit on a form and watch your entire React app refresh and lose all state? That's the browser's default form behavior, and it's a problem we need to fix. By default, when a form submits, the browser triggers a full page reload or navigation. This wipes out your React component state, interrupts any running processes, and creates a terrible user experience. In modern single-page applications, we almost never want this behavior. The standard solution is to call event.preventDefault inside your form's onSubmit handler. First, you attach an onSubmit prop to your form element that points to a handler function. Inside that function, the very first thing you do is call event.preventDefault. This stops the browser's native submission behavior. After that, you're free to handle the form data however you want, whether that's updating state, making an API call, or validating inputs. This gives you complete control over the submission process. Here's how it works under the hood. When the user clicks submit, React automatically passes a synthetic event object to your handler function. This event object wraps the native browser event and provides a consistent interface across all browsers. The preventDefault method is available on this event object, and calling it tells the browser to skip its default form submission action. There's also an alternative approach. If you set your button's type attribute to button instead of submit, it won't trigger form submission at all. This can be useful for multi-step forms or when you want to handle submission through a custom click handler. However, the onSubmit with preventDefault approach is preferred because it properly handles both button clicks and keyboard submission with the Enter key. To prevent form submission in React, attach an onSubmit handler to your form and call event.preventDefault. Master this pattern and you'll have full control over your form behavior. Keep practicing. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.